This is Ice-T.
Stone Cold Steve Austin and
Matty Ice.
This is a cold call.
I convinced NFL teams to turn to cold water washing with Tide.
The NFL, your uniforms get dirty.
Tide can handle it, even in cold. Plus, if fans join in, they can save up to $150 on their energy bill.
looks like you just made the team, rookie.
Turn to cold with Tide.
And that's the bottom line.
For great savings, buy Tide Hygienic Clean at Target.
Energy savings based on average when switching from hot to cold and non-HEB.
At Ralph's, fresh groceries are our thing, so we check your delivery order for freshness at every step from farm to store and pick and pack every veggie in your free pickup order with care, because we treat your food the way we'd want ours to be.
Oh, boss. So, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. Mic, mic, mic. Mic check, mic check. Mic, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Mic check. Mic check, 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 mic check, mic check. Medyo mic ko, boss. Hello? Yun. Kaliak mo dyan. Tira kagad. Teka pa lang, boss.
Yun, boss. Nagwalang. Plunder. Nag-plunder.
Season 6. Ganda ni Season 6 yan. October 6 ya. Ay. October 7 sa?
Ngermuar.
Unsa? Warzone Season 6. October 7.
We're holding for deployment. Now's a good time to warm up. Enemy soldier incoming. Enemy soldier incoming.
Gagi na.
All right, that's enough bucking about. Now we do this for real.
Yun.
Baron sa tamike mo, boss ah. Baron sa tamike mo.
Kawan-kawan. Take mo natin. Peke.
Peke. Ah, maya Kelly ah.
Battle Royale.
Malinaw.
Right, soldier. Mark control
Malinaw.
for your team. Be advised, gas is closing in.
Wala sa brand yan. Nasa player yan. Pananta, boss. Pananta.
Turo niyo, boss. Ulat na ka.
Yan.
I'll take it.
Matadayo. Lagi tayo matadayo nga player. Iwas gulo. Iwas gulag. Iwas gulag.
Clear to engage all targets. Objective updated. Secure that position.
Kumba.
Hindi, maging nga taga. Pagol yan lang rin.
Feeling ko plunder pa lang pa.
Iduan. Dalawa kami, lads. We need 2. Ito, parehas. Okay. Bagay. Thank you, lads. Pag dalawa kayo, salay kami pag ano.
Contract complete. Recon intel secured.
Nice.
Sniper.
Mga barrel yun ah.
AK akong nakita eh.
$1,000 na lang. Ay, 900 na lang.
Body armor here. Body armor here.
Siguro kwarta dito eh.
Indicating waypoint.
Bukas na.
Closing in.
Ikaw ba nag-loot dito?
Hindi.
Ay, ako pala. Nagtagi-inop. Nagtagi-inop. Siguro dito eh.
Marking target location.
Laptop
Enemy
wala.
helo.
Walang pera.
Atay na eh, police station.
Stand by for coordinates.
Antag refill bal.
Let's get to the safe zone.
Walang pera.
O kaya, sa ano?
Tara na.
Saan?
6-1. 6-1.
Ay, kala ko may kalaban. Tara na sa ano? Buy station. May kalaban dito. Dito na lang tayo.
Supply run tagging by station.
Iwas gulo.
I'll drive. Safety.
Uy.
Off.
Friendly loadout drop on the way. Trophy system is live.
Nyati papananta. Panta dito is ka, storage.
Marking target location.
Sorry.
Rotate right ta. Dito eh.
Tahimik ah. Tahimik masyado ah.
Hey, make. Ang tunod na kalaban ng ko ah. Ano ganun kalaban?
Enemy UAV overhead.
Mabalin tag gumatang. UAV. Patay. Nasa rooftop eh. Magkasama pa yun.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Nag-UAV tiloko.
Oh, likod ta.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Sa loadout dito eh.
The truck, likod ka, the truck.
Gas is closing
Explosive
in.
charge
Relocating
prime.
the safe zone. UAV overhead.
Fire here.
Fuck, I saw it.
Ago. Pagi na dyan loadout. Tatlo to.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh. Ghost.
Tagaan bigason.
Throwing stun.
Nabali mo tinalak. Kung ano nakasensor. Uy! Kanan. Gatekeep data. Matak to UAV.
Recon coming up.
Uy, may sumusunod.
UAV entering the AO. Enemy UAV overhead.
Ay, dabala gamit to eh.
Someone get that out.
Uy. Uy, down na. Hanggang ko yung isa. Sige lang. Oh, shit.
Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom.
Gulag.
Self sorted. You're up next.
Nasa kanan. Nasa likod mo na.
Your teammate got their ass kicked. They're RTB at this time. You're the last one on your team. Finish the job. Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. It's done. Sort them out or catch them quick.
Kanan tayo.
Scavenger contract marked.
The front box marked. Secure the package.
Akin nag-dump data.
Jiga. Sniper.
Uy.
Ingat to.
Tahimik man ito.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Nag-UAV. Patay tayo. Mabali, nakuha ko na dati ipupush mo, mabali mo mag na dito eh.
Ito.
Delikado lang ah.
Next objective located.
Bang kaya... Ay, nisalat to.
Sige nga ako.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone. Enemy UAV overhead.
Eh, danan. Ilikod siya. Naganda yung naglikaw ako.
Sige kay.
Next objective located.
Fire station.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Tagging buy station.
Good.
Losing ground.
Uy.
Primary objective accomplished. All supply boxes found.
Eh, nakalabog ang yung sniper ko. Kababotang na open. Uy, may nag-i-snipe na. Uy! May isa po!
Settle the score.
Ah, dapat may isa.
Duwada.
Duwain, duwada.
Ala. Ten, ten, ten.
Basta nga iti ko dito. Tapos lockdown man ditan. Ayun nyo.
Now's a good time to warm up. Enemy dropping into the AR.
Much better.
You're done warming up. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Iya.
Battle Royale. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone.
Kita boss.
Pili ka boss. Salamat.
Ayo pa na na.
Is anyone needed?
Oh, buwa.
Uy, sa balay. Yan mo yung nakakita. Diyan nga nakatingin ni Jim mapa. Kananta.
Data.
Dito lang ngayon.
Tagging a bounty contract.
Kababakan. Ay. Sige, dito lang.
Marking target location.
Clear to engage all targets. Sniper up, here. Enemy UAV overhead.
Nalot dito yun, boss.
Indicating waypoint.
Ay, ang ninja ka pang boss.
Darito. Uy, naka-shotgun. Sana. Oh, shit.
Constant fire.
Naka-shotgun ko.
Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom. The fight's on. You can practice your aim while you wait. Watching your enemy is the best way to get inside their heads. So is a well-placed stone. Here we go. You're up next, mate. Get ready. Up, soldier. Win here and you
Nice.
return to the front line. But if you lose,
Oh,
you're
yeah.
done. Sort them out or capture the.
The fuck?
You got roughed up in there. We're bringing you home. Your team can still buy you back if they have the cash.
Kayaman to ah.
Mhm.
Tutod mo.
Uy. Tadi open zone na. Oh,
They hit us hard that time, but we'll settle the score.
tirador. Uy, tirador. Bet ko lang si
Diba?
tirador. Hmm. Yun. Happy birthday. Low.
Ayun, lads.
Birthday.
Siya malat.
Tayo. Meron pa ba tayong kasama? Trios?
Tal, samahan ko lang saglit tong gun. Yung pinsan ko.
Ah, sige, lads.
Sige, lads. Sali ako sa inyo pag may slot ta. Mga 2 games lang ako dun.
Ah, sige. Walang problema.
Sige.
Message ko lang si kasama ko. Sus.
Get yourselves a proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon.
Got you.
Enemy soldier incoming. Enough practice. Time for the real thing.
Oo, nakatatlong patay din.
Battle Royale. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. You've got gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone.
Wow.
Meron sa akin.
Wala na ako ng bala.
Ay, tangin na, may dalawa dito.
Better find some first aid.
Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom. There's a fight kicking off. You're up next, mate. Get ready. Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. Time to win your freedom, soldier. Earn it.
Dada ba ita?
Wala naman.
Pwede?
Wala na nawanin. Wada gaya.
The enemy took that one, but we'll be back to finish the job.
Up, warm up. We're holding for deployment. Now's a good time to warm up. You're done warming up.
Stand by for deployment to the war zone. Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Gas is closing on your position. Suggest you get moving.
Tagging by station.
I'll take it. Eliminate all targets in the AO. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Decoy is live.
Kataon siya. Ay, sige di. The red door dito eh.
Indicating waypoint.
Sniper kagad to.
That's a
Enemy
kill.
UAV overhead.
Kailangan sumarsara no. Okay.
Indicating waypoint.
Advanced UAV mo. Let's.
Friendly advanced UAV.
Damay isa. May isa na. Ada dyan nga to. Okay. Kailangan dito yung bounty. Mapantamot to yung downtown.
Tagging a bounty contract.
Tatatiting nga.
That cash is ours.
Bounty target identified. Slot the bastard.
Dapat. Nga to.
Panta patayan. Panta pagpraktisan. No nga duwa ta pagpraktisan da.
Dagit sa nga to.
Nga to.
Gas is inbound.
Bimban.
Be advised, enemy team is tracking your location.
Dead end mo dito eh.
Bounty target is down.
Hey.
Well done.
Dapin matay nga sa bali. Palintag loadout.
Geta.
Hey.
Tagging by station. Delay that. All
Kalimut
friendlies are
to
in
eh.
the safe. Tagging by station.
May sana niya eh. Kadwa na.
Anteda ka.
May anted ka.
Bueno, yellow time black.
Domination box ko.
Some ammo. Someone get that item.
UAV.
Friendly recon inbound.
Ay, datao.
UAV entering the AO.
Engaging shooter.
Dajibas. Down.
I'm under fire.
Charge. I can drive.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply. Grenade out!
Isa. Tapi may isa. Taray.
Enemy lost track of you. You're safe.
Atan. Matang taman ti ko na. Matang ta selfie ta siguro. Kaysa ata. Satchel mo.
Anyone need body armor?
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Reload up. Ang UAV no manay. Di sobra na.
Kurang 300.
The box dito eh.
New safe zone located.
Tureta kaya... Palatin eh, Lodge. Nakapilot ako pa airstrike.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Tally hostile care package.
Pantag ghost. Uy. Sama. Nakalaban dito eh.
Marking target location.
Ay, dua. Bagi dah. Baka pandag loadout na kita.
UAV overhead.
Nag-UAV din. Tag-ghosan. Ayaw mo nakpay.
Gas is moving.
Okay. Uy. Lagi si snipe. Diyan mo nun.
All friendlies are in the safe zone.
Lagi si snipe dyan likod.
Sighted on target. Disregard last.
Plate up ka, boss. Isa eh.
Target disregard last.
Kapay laglamang ito eh. Hospital. Uy. Hospital.
Designating target for airstrike.
This is loader 2-0. Good copy. Cluster strike away.
Under hostile fire.
Uy. Pero to yan.
Enemy UAV overhead. Your teammates are sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy. Enemy UAV overhead. Your teammate is redeploying. Stand by.
Vamos, está por esa ventana, güey.
Ready, Toy?
Ya me agarró el teléfono.
Team wipe. Mabalin bomban.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Sige, boss. Ako dito eh. Ada ammunition box ka.
Scavenger contract marked.
Tabalan, boss.
Dapat.
Kompleto ka? Okay. Tabalak gamit. Ammunition box.
Supply box
Ayos, so.
identified. Marking location now.
At pangipipananda mo to scavenger. Ipapatay na ta. Pantadya nga ito. So. Dadya ay bridge eh. Under the bridge. Kano ka ma?
Pangkulaan latan.
Sige. Manangan. Dalugan.
Engage that enemy vehicle. Throwing thermite.
Pumasok.
Nagkamang.
Gas moving in. Next objective located.
You're in the safe zone. Watch for enemy.
Oi. Dati ko ata. Data ni. Ay! Tanga nang yan. Pangkajingatan ko muna. Para shot ka nga nasapan ta ko. Nasa ingkok tatay gaming ka naladawak.
Mabusak to. Gara-gara mabusak to. Opo, kaya pero maglabasak ko.
Ay, nakalaban. Sige lang, lads.
Next objective located.
Mabusak to.
Panano may ito dyan kalaban eh. Kaya inasar ko dyan ko ako. Ano ito yung kakap dito eh.
Marking target location.
Yun natin yung baba.
Ah, siguro.
Primary objective accomplished. All supply boxes found.
Oh, yung gado kwartaan. Pumatang ti ka. Uy. At dagay. Matang ti selfie ta. Kan UAV.
Dapat selfie sa.
Sa truck. Incoming.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Takat-tangaton.
Kanin. Gusto na pala baba.
Sa sensor mo.
Awan.
Friendly recon
Oh
inbound.
shit. Gado.
Got gas moving in.
UAV entering the AO.
Dadaptaanin nga to.
AT mine armed. All friendlies are in the safe zone. There's some ammo. Someone get that out. AT mine armed.
UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Pinonok ti pakatan.
Pamatang ka selfie.
Wag gimata kaon. Gimata nga kaon.
UV.
Hinta kanya akon boss. Dan.
Pang UV.
Ah, sige. Ah, ito na.
Fire here. Someone get that item. Friendly recon inbound.
UAV entering the AO.
Marking airstrike target.
This is Striker 3-1. Good copy. advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Final deployment is making ready. Your window's closing fast. Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Nabalinta kanan. Easy.
Loadout drop heading your way.
Yan sa airstrike na. Ada kortada.
Recon coming up.
UAV entering the AO.
Matangkat yung airstrike mo, Lods. Ito na eh.
That cash is out.
Pinidot ko dyan, strike ka.
Gas is moving.
Precision.
Dakanyak.
Dadaman eh.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Here's some ammo. Someone get that item. AT mine armed.
Nagadupakat na.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Fire here. Throwing stun.
Nice. Thank you.
Fighting fit.
Ada tajugasan. Kanawan. Ay, kaliwa.
Only 25 remain.
Reloading.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone. Enemy UAV overhead.
Bumabadan to maramdaman na kita.
Throwing stun.
Stun siya. Hey! Oy, shit! Okay.
Wilson 25 is still standing.
Gista yan.
Come back stronger next time.
Sayang.
Science.
Awawan granada nga nun.
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deploying shortly. Enough practice. Time for the real thing. Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone.
Tagging a bounty contractor.
I'll take it. Let's get it done. Positive ID on the bounty target. Sort them out.
Sa bala dito isa.
Someone get that item.
Ayan po. Bala.
Ayun, naka-refill ako. Kurang pa eh.
Gas is closing in.
Tapos, nalpas Jebar. Ito yun.
Target location.
Moving! Moving! Disregard last.
All friendly in the safe zone.
What?
Contract time expired. We lost the target.
Lag. Alaan na. IJ ko, IJ.
Rally point. Belay that.
Recon.
Recon contract secured.
Setting charge.
Proceed to the marked location and secure the area.
Hello, Dotan. Sak.
Enemy UAV overhead.
That cat's down.
23. 9. 8.
Loadout drop headed your way. Friendly sentry gun online.
5. 18. 18. 7. 11. 14. 2. 12. 3.
Enemy
Zero.
UAV overhead.
Nag-low loadout.
Recon intel secured. Solid work.
Bounty ita. Palimbat no.
Tagging a bounty contract. Cancel that.
Loadout drop
Nice.
headed your way.
Tally hostile contact.
Sakto. May isa lang, may isa lang.
Gas is inbound. Mark the new safe zone. Objective updated. Secure that position.
Ay nga maakyat dito eh. Okay. Kamakyat dati.
Sige pa.
Gas is closing in. Stay so. Watch for enemies. Contract complete. Recon intel secured.
Tagumatang UAV.
Requesting recon overflight.
UAV entering the AO.
Kaya looted dito. Nakalaban dito eh.
Stand by for coordinates.
Nakalaban ta dito eh.
Marking target location.
Kalaban ta dito. Sige.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Acknowledge waypoint.
Alintay gate keep na kita na eh.
Get to that vehicle.
Ay, nag-low ganda? Nag-low ganda.
Located Tango.
Lumang tapay lang. Tapay pakita. Tanod dada di open. Sana, talaan.
Sinikat C4 na aja eh.
Ah, nakita ko di si Rock. Di ada di si Rock. Ada mo ito yan.
Ganun, yuga na.
Throwing stun. Throwing thermite.
May tama.
Tagas mas. Ha?
Have eyes on gas mask.
Dagas na to.
Okay. Ado kwarta ada. Matang taman UAV na. Ay, selfie tagay man. Selfie.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Tagging by. That cash is ours.
Kalintalaan dati ko eh.
Tagging a bounty contract.
Uy, may isa. Uy, diwata.
kill.
Paglakit na nakita mo dyan may isan. Medyo nga ito.
Gas is moving.
Yaman. Talangan siguro.
Scavenger contract marked.
Scavenger.
Yung nga to, dito.
Let's get to the safe zone.
Kasi baba lang natin scavenger.
Ito yung second floor siya, ano?
12 seconds.
Rooftop. Pwede sa rooftop eh.
Supply box identified. Marking location now.
Hostile foot patrol.
Ito dyan rooftop dyan train station.
Anyone need body armor?
Latta J-Con. Gassen.
Bata. Sige. Left ha? Tara, left tayo. At ang UAV manin.
Requesting recon overflight.
Papay dua.
UAV entering the AO.
Ikan ni Giden. At ang kala airstrike kan.
The airstrike.
Sige.
Pilidit ko yun.
Damay sa dito eh. Damay sa dito eh. May sana.
Waypoint cohorts.
Ano nakagos yung may isa?
Advise UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Daging may isa di banger. Daging ko dan na di may isa.
Down.
Hostile fire. Flashbang sent. Tango removed.
Contract failed. Objective out of range.
Wag na.
Nice.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Bounty.
Tagging a bounty contract. Anyone need body armor?
Sige.
Objective is to eliminate the bounty target. You've got gas moving in.
Sa chopper da.
Get to the safe zone.
Be advised, friendly precision airstrike inbound.
Urahin to sa circle.
Banda.
Eh, dari to eh.
Engaging shooter. Marking target location.
Final deployment is making ready. Your window's closing fast. You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Circle ta. Dari to ini na.
Acknowledge
Friendly
friendly
loadout
codes.
drop on the way.
Tally hostile care package.
Gusto ko MG circle ta. Anong loadout di eh, boss? Nakita mo.
May isa lang. Dua. Magadumat.
Huh?
Someone get that
Gas is closing in.
Ayun tayo circle basset. Open.
You're out of time. Scrub the contract.
Nabalintapan dito eh.
indicating waypoint.
Eh.
Dadan. Nag-damage.
Drone stun.
Sa loadout mo, sa loadout.
25 remaining. Nicely done.
Under hostile fire.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
That's better.
In their sight.
Oh, wala na akong bala.
Ini boss. Ito lang. Ay, nag-tab.
Located mid-caliber.
Dapat tao dyan likod ta.
Awanan. Sila da dyan aton. Simalis.
Got gas moving in.
We're not all here. Regroup in the safe zone.
Dapat extra plate mo, boss.
Dapat, oh.
Or may isa lang. Kaya tag, pipin na tayo da. Takit to boss.
Marking target location.
Dapat dito ya.
Indicating waypoint.
Dito banger.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone. To the left, keep the pressure on.
Orahin ta dyan circle, giddanan ta lang. Agjantat to ko apa ba? Ito igit-igit ti building.
Waypoint.
Pero... Tan.
Enemy team is tracking your position.
Dito boss.
Losing ground.
Let's get to the safe zone.
Uy, datan.
That's a kill.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone. Losing ground.
Let's get to the safe zone.
Uy! Tawag nila. Nagkapanay na to eh. Nice. Uy!
Over here.
Kaya. Taray. Tagaan dyan nga ito. Campers. Camper? Camper tayo namin.
Get yourself a proper warm-up. We'll be deployed soon. Enough practice. Time for the real thing. lead them in.
Uy.
Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone.
Sa limot kayo. Teka doon ako. Sabali magamit tayo ka, RJ ka doon ako. Gaya ayaw pa kayo. Mic check, mic check.
Oh, sayang.
Mhm.
Diyan
Ano?
na ito, okay.
Pumang bitin na, mang bitbitin.
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deploying shortly. Enemy soldier incoming. Enemy soldier incoming. Enemy dropping into the AO. You're done warming up. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Let's go.
Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Gas is closing on your position. Suggest you get moving.
Tagging it back.
Ah, sige, sige, sige.
Disregard last.
Ay. Ay, Titan, Titan. Melibels, Melibels.
Marking target location.
Ado mo, ado.
Engaging shooting. Marking target location.
Moving! Eliminate all targets in the AO. Moving!
60. 23. 8. 14. 22. 5. 7.
Gaduda.
11.
Supply box ready for pickup.
2. 12. 3.
Enemy recon close to your area. Your teammates are taking the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy. Your teammate got a proper sorting. We're sending them home. You're all that's left. Get it done.
Gaduda ta.
Gaduda garod. Aray tayo.
Losing ground.
Nag-load out to.
Tagging buy station.
Ito na. Baka dati kwarta dito. Ilot ko lang dito eh.
Stand by for
Ilot mo
coordinates.
dito, antika.
All friendlies are in the safe zone.
Ammunition box ko.
Diba?
Nakalaban dito eh.
Acknowledge waypoint cohorts. Disregard last. Tagging buy station.
Ito lang ito.
Okay, sige.
Enemy sentry gun active.
Tagging buy station. Flashbang sent. I'm hit.
Ang enang niya. Sabi siya. Tag.
You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Sort them out or capture the objective. Got locked up. Bring it home. hard that time, but we'll settle the score.
Last game Akpos.
Ayun boss, sorry shock. Hindi ako pa yung nakadigos.
Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone. Battle Royale. All right, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone.
Tagging a bounty contract.
Lipat tayo.
Be advised, there's an enemy team.
Storage.
Tagging a bounty contract.
Tanakaona.
Mover here.
All right, lads, let's get it done. Bounty target has been marked. Kill him.
Dati yan ko ah.
Ito lang dito eh.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Tayo sa baba, tayo sa baba.
Indicating waypoint.
Ay, tanginang yan. Kapistol. Basag siya, basag.
Fuckers have me targeted.
You're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment. There's a fight kicking off. You're up next, mate. Get ready. You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Sort them out or capture them. There are. Stand by for redeployment.
Eyes on Hilo.
Uy! Mga nag-lock. Warning na, nag-lock. Iya, boss. Bigat naman. Airstrike bot. Oh. Sige, boss. Ngek.